Could Jefferson County residents soon be seeing a mask mandate? It's being talked about there. News 11's Catherine Hessel is live in Jefferson County, where she spoke to the officials who would make that decision and the people it would affect. Catherine?
Well, Mike, right now I am at a blood drive. It's by the Mississippi Valley Blood Center and with Casey. And here you can see everyone has a mask on, but that is not the case all over Jefferson County. And when you talk to people if there should be a mask mandate, really the opinions are kind of split. Jefferson County has had a major increase in COVID-19 cases. According to Jefferson County Health Director Kelly Vollmer, within the past 2 weeks, they've seen a 128% increase in active cases.
There's a lot more mobility within the last couple of weeks. In the beginning, everybody was kind of playing it safe and staying home or limiting the places they went to. What we're seeing now is our positive cases have very significant people are going out to dinner, out to movies, and then to a friend's party. And that's a lot of people to be interacting with. And so with that, it just keeps increasing the opportunity for them to get the illness.
Vollmer says they aren't seeing many people at all wearing face masks. Next week, the health department board will meet and vote on a face mask mandate. Vollmer says right now the board is probably split 50-50 on the issue. And based on the people I spoke with, the community seems to feel the same way.
They should. The elders are the ones most accepted to the coronas. It's more protection than nothing at all.
Maybe in certain areas, such as maybe daycares, once they reopen. But other than that, I don't believe that there should be a mandate on it.
I see a lot of elderly people wearing a mask around, but as far as younger people and middle-aged people, it's not as much. A lot of people are getting relaxed about it. I think that has a lot to do with how long this has been going on.
And it really does depend on where you are, if you're going to see people wearing masks or not. Again, here at the blood drive, everyone has a mask on. But earlier we had stopped to get some gas, and I would say probably only 1 out of 10 people who walked into the gas station actually was wearing a face mask. So a lot of people are getting pretty lax on it here in Jefferson County. That board meeting that will decide if there's a mask mandate, again, it'll take place next week, but the exact time and date has not been set yet. Reporting live in Jefferson County, I'm Catherine Hessel, News 11.